Hello, and welcome to the Art Ideas section of the Studio Practice area of the Notion for Artists template. This is where we really start documenting and organizing ideas for making a piece. We wanted to create a space that evolves with you through the studio process. Remember, this Art Ideas section is the first stage of one continuous template that stores the same information on the same card in any bodies of work, exhibitions, or other related databases. Any information you put here will be in the same source, the same database that is pulled from in the rest of this Notion template. So what that means is we just limited the view. So instead of looking at a big, bucket of images or big bin of cards with all the pieces and information, we segmented it to make it a little bit more easy to manage. So in the Art Ideas section, we segmented off just the stage of having an idea and then having that idea be ready to start turning into a piece. So I think one of the easiest ways to start is, make a new page in the proverbial sketchbook. So click New Page, and we want to go in. So see the side peak, and scroll down to Studio Workpiece title here. No, don't worry. You don't already have to have a piece idea or title. Just start working, taking steps. If you have any initial thoughts, write it here. Otherwise, we want to move down to the idea section. Here, we give you a series of questions to start grounding in the different thoughts or ideas you have to help build your piece. If you're not quite sure yet, you can start making a more refined inspiration board. So simply click on these squares, click to change the cover, and we recommend, if possible, linking an image to something you've seen online. So for example, if you found an image on Google, right-click image address and paste it here. You can upload custom images, but remember, with a free account, you are limited in the file size that you can upload. So we recommend either uploading it to Google or using a website to shrink the file size. Once you are done here with building a series of reference images, we recommend going over to the thumbnails. Here you can start evolving that idea in steps towards making a piece. Make an initial thumbnail sketch, get a little bit more detailed, maybe make a study, value study, color study, and any key reference images for your piece. Once you have gotten through this section, you are ready to start making a piece. Everyone has their own flow, everyone has their own process, so adapt this to your needs. When you're ready, either change the property or simply drag the piece to ready to start. Once it's in ready to start, I'm going to name this example so we don't lose it. It'll show up in the next section. So meet me over in progress section. Thanks, bye.